So I used a corer and cored them out. If you want to leave the skins on, fine. Peeled mine, and I sliced them like I have right here. And whatever kind of ripe pears that you have. Took another one of these casserole things. Nice little butter job on that, okay, so it won't stick. You with me so far? Okay. Combination of pears. Watch this. We're going to add a little sugar to this. Now, how much sugar do you add? Well, how sweet is your pears? Well, so you would, maybe you wouldn't lose as much sugar. You know? Now, we're going to toss this a little bit, also with a little flour, which is going to help thicken it a little bit. The juice of a lemon. Why? The acidity in the lemon juice is going to help keep the pears neutral and not start turning brown, right? And, it's the Portuguese in me, a little bit of port wine, okay? Little port wine. All right, a little more port wine. Now, all right. Now, here's what you do. You mix that really, really good. Put it inside of the casserole. With me so far? Put the oven on 350 degrees. Now, in this thing here, what we're going to do is we're going to take flour, some walnuts, some light brown sugar, and then I'm going to add diced butter, cold butter, because I'm going to make like a crumb thing. Okay? I'm going to make a crumb thing with these 4 ingredients. I'm going to sprinkle it on top. I'm going to bake it for 30 minutes. There's a couple of components to this. We have the oven on at 350. And I stopped purposely to show you at home. Once you put the pear mixture in here that has the flour, the lemon juice, the sugar, and you layer that, then we made the topping with the brown sugar, the butter, flour. Before I add the topping on there, this is going to sound crazy to you, but you want to pepper your pears. Oh, to bring the flavor right out, especially with the port wine. Then we sprinkle this on top. Then this gets baked in the oven, like I said, for 30 minutes. Then, once you hit 30 minutes, you get your favorite blue cheese. A good cup and a half that you want to crumble the blue cheese, okay? Great combination. And then, what we'll do, for about 10 or 15 minutes maximum, once you put the blue cheese on there, you see how it's getting all that ooey gooey stuff right like that? See that? And this is perfect for a couple of great things for the winter. Fireplace is on. You can add more blue cheese to this, and you could have it as a cheese course. Have a little glass of port wine. Be happy, happy. It makes a perfect dessert. You could put a little vanilla bean ice cream on this. Warm like this, it would be absolutely perfect. So there's a lot of things that you can do depending on how you want to serve it. But pears, blue cheese, the sweetness of this, it's absolutely fantastic.